Now that I got it.
Hey guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm heading out for an event and I thought I'll take you guys with me because this is going to be a 3-day long event. So Phoenix is having a 3-day long event called the September Fest, and today is day 1. I'm all dressed up and I'm ready to head out for the event. It's going to be a lot of fun. There are going to be a lot of panel discussions, a lot of workshops by a lot of famous people, a lot of famous YouTubers, makeup artists, fashion designers, stylists, etc, like whatnot. A lot of known people are going to be there. I'll show you guys everything that is going to be happening today. So yeah, let's head out.
I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite.
Now without further ado, we're going to get started with our panel, where we're going to talk about how Instagram and social media has turned makeup artists, YouTube sensations into celebrities in their own right. We're going to talk about how YouTube has influenced the beauty business.
If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then that was you, it feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it.
I hope you guys are subscribed to Shreya and Dimpyscorner. If not, subscribe right now. I hope you like the bell. Thank you, share, so you guys have to subscribe. You have to. Like, there's no other option. Thank you.
No, I'm not a role model. That I got it. Can't help myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night, it's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts or two, now I'm gonna get this right. No, I'm not a role model.
And you want clothes which, everybody's got 85 lehengas and 52 anarkalis, and there's no space to keep them.
Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it.
And now we just have one more workshop to attend. There is Namrata Purohit who is conducting a Pilates class. So let's go. That's going to be the last and final one. Day 1. There's still 2 more days to go. I am very excited to see what's there in store tomorrow. So yeah, here's me signing off and I'll see you guys in day 2. Hey guys, so this is day 2 of the September Fest and I'm on my way to Phoenix Marketcity and I'm very excited to see what's going to be there today. So yeah, let's see what happens.
I think I might have finally fallen. I don't even know what we started. I feel it and I know I want it. I think I might have finally fallen. Oh, thought I could walk away from you, but I can't seem to move. I think I might have finally fallen, fallen, fallen. I don't even know what we started, started, started. I feel it and I know I want it, I want it, I want it. I think I might have finally fallen, fallen. Oh, oh, from you if I thought I could walk away from you, but I can't seem to move. I think I might have finally fallen, fallen, fallen. I don't even know what we started, started, started. Oh, I feel it and I know I want it, I want it, I want it. I think I might have finally, finally, finally fallen. Oh,
Clothes from some of the biggest brands that we've seen right here in Chennai. They're super premium brands like Scotch and Soda, Veramoda, Pramod, Only, Forever New, Cover Story, Steve Madden, Charles and Keith, labeled by Ritu Kumar, Rare Rabbit, Simon Carter and Brooks Brothers.